Greetings viewers. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to type a program which would add the integers that end with only a certain digit. As usual, you can try writing the program yourself. Now let us continue with the video. So first of all we will define a list named list1 which will be containing any random integers. Now we have defined another variable as sum equal to 0. Making a loop from 0 to the length of the list1 which we have calculated and set in the variable length. Again we give another condition that the elements of the list on which we will perform mathematical operations should be of integer type. This time we will be adding the numbers that are ending with 3. So we will write that if we divide the number by 10, then if the remainder is 3 it should add the value to sum. Also to display we will write print the sum is comma sum. By running the program we can see that it has added only integers that end with 3. So that was all for now. If you liked the video then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for similar videos. Thanks for watching.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more.